It's Sunday, it's a beautiful day. It was actually supposed to be really cloudy and maybe a bit rainy this afternoon, but it actually looks like it's going to be really hot now. And stupidly, we've decided to try and go to the mall in Largo, have a little look around some of the shops. We might pop to Frida's for lunch again because the cakes and sandwiches were just lovely. And hopefully tonight we might pop to John's Pass, have a little look around there. We've done a dolphin trip from there before, but I think we might just maybe have something to eat, have a look around the shops. It's quite quirky and quite fun. So, and then maybe topping off the evening with a nice ice cream. Let's see what happens. So me and Mike have decided to try something new today. It's called Borek, and it's a phyllo pastry with prosciutto. I think it's got spinach, some feta, mozzarella. It looks really, really nice. So we're going to give that a try. And the boys have just gone for good old roast beef sarnies. So, what's the sarnie?
Go for it.
Yum.
Okay, so
What were these called?
Mama,
What were these called?
they're called zeppelis. It's like almost like a shoe bun
I think it's just got like
thing,
custard
isn't it?
in.
With like a custard filling, but they are huge.
Yeah,
They're delicious.
we probably could have shared one, but
What do we think?
nice.
Nice.
Oh yeah, like the
Looking good.
custard.
Now I'm going to cut short the filming because I'm getting jealous of eating.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Guys, I didn't realise you weren't allowed in Frida's because look, it says no pets allowed.
We're not pets.
Yeah, she was nice.
Right guys, should we go and do a bit of shopping? Back to the red Juggernaut. Here we go. We've come into the local pet store in Largo, and you can actually buy a chameleon or a snake. This little guy, I think we want to take him home. He's really cute.
So cat.
Look, there's this little guy down here.
Yeah, that's easy. I think some of the pet shops.
Oh look, he's going for a walk. Look, can we take him home? He's so cute. The snakes are just around here, look, I'll show you. So if you don't want your normal souvenir like Disney souvenirs, or you can buy this snake. He's a lively little one, isn't he?
Really cool, isn't he? Yeah, he looks like he's coming at
And look, there's a little snake here. Oh god, look at all these snakes, guys, look. There's that one. Look at this one here. Where's the corn snake gone? Is he?
Is that Jeff?
He's down
Look,
in there somewhere. Let's look.
you come to see, can't look.
Where? He's waving. Look, his little hands coming up like he's waving.
Oh, no, I just think he can't get.
I
He
think-
wants us to get off
I
him.
think he wants us to buy him. Can we take him home?
Yes, do it.
He's so cute. I actually love him. There you go. Veiled chameleon. $80. That's not bad, is it? Look at that little face.
Let's see if he follows me.
I think he is.
Dad. Yeah, he's following me again.
That's like you.
I think he wants us to take him home.
That's the cute. Oh!
He's doing a bit of yoga at the moment.
Must be your eyes, Con. I was thinking like.
I can't see them.
Look at him. Oh, he's cute. Here's a little corn snake. Oh, is he popping away? As soon as I come to film him, he's sliding away. So I've just discovered as we're driving around the Largo Mall car park that they actually have a Bath and Body Works, and I have been wanting to go in one of these for ages to see what the candles are like. They actually have here as well a cinema, which is quite cool if you fancy a film. Got a little Greek cafe there as well, which is quite nice and something different for a change. There you go, Con. Go on, Con. Oh, hi. Oh, it smells lovely. How beautiful all these candles are, and they all smell so nice. I'm not even sure how I'm even going to choose. This shop is brilliant, absolutely amazing. Look, just so much nice stuff in here.
Andrea spotted a Bath and Body Works shop when we were driving around a retail park, and surprise, surprise,
Yay!
we bought something.
Candles! If only I could... There's a couple in there. If only I could actually carry more home, I would. If I could bring a whole suitcase home, I would.
Well, probably a good job that we can't then.
And if I could afford them all,
Yeah.
I would. But they all just smell so lovely. And they're pretty reasonable actually. I thought they were going to be more expensive. So a big candle is about $27, a 3-wick candle. And if you buy
But it was
candles,
$10 off today.
Yeah, if you buy candles at home, they're usually what, £50 plus. If you buy,
Quite often, yeah, at
you know,
least
the
30,
sort of good brand ones.
30 or 40 pounds definitely.
Yeah, so I'm really chuffed. Really chuffed.
Yay!
Yay! Here we are.
In a quarter-mile, make a U-turn if
Just
possible.
coming to John's Pass. I can't remember now. Do we have to pay for parking, don't we, at John's Pass?
Not sure.
I think we might. I think we did last time we came. Yep. There's the big bridge there as well that opens up straight ahead. Oh look, it's open right now. Look guys, can you see?
Oh yeah.
The bridge is up. I don't know if you can see it.
You see it as
really.
we're turning.
Look, the road's right up in the air, look. So it must be letting a boat through. That's funny because I just mentioned that, didn't I, about there? Yeah, I just said about the big bridge where they let
Turn
boats
right
through.
onto Village Boulevard
So
and
this
then
is
turn right.
John's Pass. There's loads of little shops and little restaurants here. So we're at John's Pass, and the funniest thing just happened because you see this lovely little car here. A group of men and women who we assume are drunk came along. We're parked opposite this car, and they decided to take a picture of 2 of the women who lifted up their tops and flashed their boobs, and the boys unfortunately had their first taste of seeing American body parts, so
We didn't look.
we told them to close their eyes, so hopefully they didn't see anything that they shouldn't. But so just be aware of walking around John's Pass. There may be a few people that have had a few sherbets and are a little bit merry. But anyway, it was quite a little funny story to the day. Go Mo! climb up with the shark. Yay! But someone's actually getting married on the Calypso Breeze. There's actually a wedding taking place right now. That's cool. There's all the pelicans in the water, people on the beach. We need the bridge to open, don't we? That would be fun.
Wait, is that the bridge that opens?
Yeah,
That's the bridge that opens up and lets sort of the bigger boats through. There's Crabbies over there as well.
What's Crabby?
Crabbies, we went to Crabbies the other day, but at Indian Shores, but this is Crabbies on the pass. This is the little shop we went in before. Is this the one that had the parrot? Parrot. Should we go in, guys? This is always a good little gift shop. Look, now do you remember they had all the shells and things? Oh, we've been in there. We've been in
that's
that.
where Morgan got his massive lollipop from.
That's the ice cream shop as well, isn't it? Sugar daddies. That's,
Actually, no, I don't think
we've
that's
been,
where we got his sugar.
no, we got some ice creams in there, didn't we?
Right.
That's actually Caddy's live music. Oh, what's this? Is this all fudge? Wow, is that all rock?
Things.
Amazing. Look at that guy. Are you going to try and get a picture? Yeah, we don't want to drop anything over the side. I like the pelicans here. It's a good place to come and see them. Oh, look at that big bird of prey up there as well.
Quite hard to get pictures of this place, isn't it?
Ah, it's just so peaceful. Boys, show me your blue tongues. Yeah. So, we've finished shopping at John's Pass.
Beast.
That is a big truck. And we're going to see if we can get into Crabby's on the Pass. Oh, sparkly palm trees. Smells nice. Doesn't it, guys? What have you got there, Mike?
Highlight. Cigar City Brewery in Tampa. My favourite.
And so look, we're sitting under sparkly palm trees. And there's me and Com. Com, we're going to cheers with ours. Cheers. Con's reading the menu. He's too hungry. Look guys, it's a floating bar, look.
Tiki bar.
That's hilarious. Yeah, okay, no worries. Look, they're all drinking on the floating tiki bar. This is nice upstairs, isn't it? I want to sit upstairs.
Yeah, that's a bit cool, isn't it?
Yeah, much better.
Cool view of the bridge. That's cool.
We're sitting here and the bridge is just opening up. What's coming through? Can you see? It is really cool. Well, you're literally lifting up a whole road.
Well, actually, it's just that little vine that goes through.
Well, I don't know if there's something on the other side.
There's something that is funny. We got it wrong. Oh no, here you come, look. Here it comes. There's a sailing boat. Look.
Wow, look at how high it goes.
That's a cool boat.
Oh, here. It's the Black Pearl. That is really clever, isn't it?
It's really impressive.
Here it comes. Oh, it's flying through.
Really?
How do you think, do you think they have to call ahead and notify someone and then someone has to...
There's bridge control there.
Oh yeah.
Can you turn the screen bright?
It just sits there. But yeah.
It's just for the biscuits and stuff. They're all automatic. But sometimes
Look how quickly it closes.
you also got mine.
Almost doesn't look real, does it? That was good, wasn't it? We got a good spot sitting here. So we can watch the bridge.
In this sort of like, when it's pretty dark.
Then we'll drive back over that bridge when we go home. Aw, that looks nice, Mo. Mo's tucking into his pizza.
Wow.
Con's on his phone, but he's got...
I'm taking a picture.
Oh, okay, fair enough. He's got coconut shrimp,
Oh, you both have coconut
rice
shrimp.
and sweet corn. What have you got, Mike?
I've got mahi,
You've got mine.
prawns,
Yeah.
and conch fritters.
Oh, so you have to tell us how they go.
Mm.
I have, so if you can just see, I've got mac and cheese, coconut shrimp, and some fries. What's the mahi like?
It's really nice. It's like very meaty for the kind of fish.
Meaty fish. It's probably good.
It's between tuna and chicken or something.
Sweet corn.
Sweet
So
corn
good.
good.
How nice is that?
The sweet corn is so much nicer out here than it is in the UK. Nice pizza, Mo. Coconut shrimp time. Probably not so elegantly eaten. I'll do a smaller piece this time. Coconut shrimp. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. I have to say that Crabby's on the Pass is one of the nicest meals that we've had so far since we've been down in the Clearwater, Tampa Bay area. Ooh, cool truck. Is that a monster truck? Or is that just a normal truck?
Well, I think it's sort of...
Or a combo? Look at the size of that thing. Wow, we have just got home and it's, what time is it, guys? What time is it?
10:40.
10:40. Ooh!
Whoa.
And we have got a tropical storm. Look at the rain coming down into the pool. Wow, listen to that thunder. I won't go too close.
No, no.
No, leave it. Leave it, Baba. Michael, do you need to move these towels back? Wow, look at the rain.
The way that the netting makes it all like...
Look at that. Oh! Where's the... That is wow. I think the thunder's overhead now. That is a proper thunderstorm. Wow! Whoa! Oh my god, that's proper thunder. Wow. Go on, don't go. It's still really warm, isn't it? I guess it's just the pure force of the rain. Look at that. That is crazy. I'm waiting for some more lightning. Whoa, I think that was the lightning.
Big thunder coming.
It's going to be a big... Here it comes. Oh my god, it's like making everything shake. I think I might have to go in a minute because the spray that's coming off of the rain. Whoa. You know, it's going to be great for selling tomorrow with a big storm. We need to get out early for selling.
Well,
the storm always brings... Oh, wow! The colours are there.
now.
No, you're going to get soaked.
Whoa, it's getting closer.
waiting for the next boom.
Together. Closer together, lining in the thunder as opposed to the storm.
Right, that is the end of the thunder and lightning storm because
Jesus.
we have just put our pans. Oh my god, that has actually given me a heart.
I don't think I've ever heard thunder that loud.
I've never heard thunder that loud. I'm going in.